Walmart Media Library allows you to have videos on your Walmart listing. And yes, it does increase sales. I'll show you about it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Here's a product right here. You can see the second image is a video, and this does help increase conversion rate, and it helps increase overall sales and credibility. So there's a lot of benefits just to having a short, sweet video. And a lot of the times you can just record it on your cell phone. But in order to get it on Walmart, what you're going to do is you're just going to go into Walmart and you're going to go to Media Library. Now you do need a trademark, so make sure you have a US trademark that's approved in the US. It must be completely approved. And then you go to Media Library and then you're gonna apply, show them that you have a trademark, apply, get that approved, and you're gonna have access to the video library. You can change all of your listings brand name to your trademark, and every listing that has the trademark, so for example, Lilo and Stitch, let's say if I own the Lilo and Stitch trademark, then every listing I can change the brand name to Lilo and Stitch, and then I can have a video on it, right? And then you just click add media, video, and then you simply upload your video here, put all the GTINs that you want to have on there, a thumbnail, closed captions if you want, and then after usually 4 hours, the video is going to show up on your listing, and you will see it's going to help with conversions and sales as long as people are seeing your listing. There's also a how-to guide if this didn't help too much. There's a how-to guide right here. Again, you go to Media Library, you click Add Videos, and then the file must be 100 megabytes or less. The title can't be longer than 200 characters. You can also add 360 spin images if you want. And then there's some pro tips on guidelines, right? How do I manage? How long does it take? Can I add a video to multiple GTINs? Yep, you can have up to 50. Have the same video, and then kind of go from there. But not difficult. Again, you just need a trademark. If you need help getting a trademark, we can help you, or you can hire an attorney. It might be more expensive and take longer, but we are professionals in US trademarks. But that's it for today's video. Do you think videos really help increase sales on Walmart? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will come in. An expert will make sure that we're managing your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, managing your ads, increasing sales, making sure your videos are approved. We even have a motion graphics team that's going to help get your videos approved, your trademarks approved, get you approved for brand portal, and so much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue or trying to get approved for this. We'll be the ones that are doing it for you so you can save time, money, and increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.